So I got a whole jar of capers. It can only mean one thing. Let's do some chicken piccata. First, we're gonna make some bechamel. Guys, I put a weird twist on this dish and I want you to check it out. So I have 4 sticks of butter for my bechamel here. I'm gonna start adding some flour. I want this to get that kind of wet sand consistency. So I just keep adding the flour, stirring it up, mix it around. When it kind of looks like this, that's perfect. We're gonna let all that starch kind of cook out of there for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna add in a quart of milk. I pour it all in at once. We give this a quick stir. I don't want it to completely thicken. As soon as it gets warm, I'm gonna pour it through my strainer, get any of the lumps out. Now I have this real smooth bechamel that's ready to heat up and thicken up wherever it lands. So let's make our sauce. We start with white wine. I pour a whole bunch in, throw in my shallots. We're gonna reduce that down, cook off the alcohol. And now we've reduced to what they call au sec. It means it's almost dry. So I'm gonna add in my heavy cream and I'm gonna put in actually a half gallon. I'm making a lot of sauce. Mix that up a little bit, and guys, now we're gonna add butter. I'm just doing handful after handful. I'm actually adding like 2 pounds of butter into there. I'm gonna start stirring it up while it melts, add a little lemon juice in there. I'm trying to make an emulsion here. And what's gonna hold this emulsion together is this bechamel. I add a little bit of that now. It's gonna thicken up as it warms. It's gonna tighten this whole sauce up. I add in my capers, and yeah, I like a lot of capers. We're cooking for 30, guys. So I give that a stir, give it just a second, sauce is ready. Let's get some chicken, a little salt and pepper. I go down in the flour, then we go down in the egg. This is called doré style. We're gonna cook it just like that. Let these get a nice crust on them, flip them over, get them cooked through. Those look perfect. It's time for service, so I'm gonna throw a bunch of fresh parsley right into that sauce, give it a nice little stir, and let me show you how we plate it up. We're gonna start with some pasta tonight. We're going linguine. I throw the noodles down. I'm gonna throw a piece of that chicken on each one, just kind of offset to the side. Add my sauce, hit a little on the pasta as well. Get all 3. Then guys, I made some grilled asparagus, real simple. Quick blanch, onto the griddle, salt and pepper. That's it. Chicken piccata is served. What a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.